You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases and more confusing vocabulary and names too many people get wrong. Stay tuned, loads to learn here. So in British English first, star-spangled, star-spangled. Okay, now this is often refers to the US, right? In American English it's said more as star-spangled, star-spangled in American English, or star-spangled in British English. And now you know. Did you get the difference? Yes, I'm sure you did, but let me know in the comments if not, or if you did and appreciate it. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.